Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be recreating Mary Phillips' iconic application of how she does like her contour, her concealer, and then her foundation. If you haven't seen it already, I'll post like a little video right here for you. But she does apply her concealer and contour like cream bronzer before her foundation. So I really want to try that out for you guys and see how I like it. I've been seeing this all around TikTok, and you know, she's not the first one that did this. I know Scott Barnes has done it, which is JLo's makeup artist, but he does it more in a heavier way because his form of doing it, he applies a lot more product than she does, and the way he does is more for like film pictures and all that stuff. So for her, she does do it a little lighter, and she is Hailey Bieber's makeup artist and Kendall Jenner's makeup artist, I believe. So this is the way how she does her makeup, well, their makeup. The first thing that she does is actually apply contour first. And I am going to use the Fair Tan-tor Contour and Bronzer Cream by Huda Beauty. And I am going to use my Sephora Pro Blending Stippling Brush. And I am going to start by, this is going to be so weird because I'm so used to doing it the other way around. I'm going to start by, I think I put a little bit too much. Apply that there. And then with my e.l.f. Airbrush Blender Brush, I'm gonna blend this product out. And when she does this, she does keep it pretty blended. There isn't like any harsh lines. I wonder how this is gonna look on me. I'm so scared. But yeah, she says she creates this flawless base on her clients by doing this. And it's really interesting. I'm not sure if I like it too much, to be honest, because you know, when you're a creature of habit, like it's kind of hard to, you know, do something different and get in the routine of doing something else. But who knows, maybe I'll end up loving it and doing it. But when you do this, you do have to use like a lighter foundation for it. I know I look scary right now, but let's just trust the process. And a bit of bronzer right there. And I feel this is a good way to see how this covers up like my acne spots too. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. This feels wrong in so many ways. Just gonna add a little bit right here to the sides under my bronzer just to clean this up a little bit. Cover a little bit of my acne scarring and spots. Not to blend all that out, I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty concealer brush. Alright, so I feel a little weird. Now she does go in with a light foundation. So I am going to use my Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation in the shade 210 Light Medium Neutral. Probably do like one pump. And then I'm going to use my Morphe Times Makeup by Ariel A24 brush. Just because this brush is a little bit more flimsy. And what she does is just lightly go over everything with the foundation. She doesn't really use a lot of foundation. That's why I went in with one pump. Honestly, that doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can take a look. Alright, so this is how my skin is looking like with the concealer and contour under. Or bronzer, I should say. And honestly, it doesn't look bad. Does not look bad at all. And I think the plus side on this is that you don't get to use a lot of foundation. I think that's how she gets this like flawless look on her models. So let me zoom you out. I do have to set my under eyes at least with a little bit of powder. Take a little bit of my Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder. Lightly set my under eye. Okay, so I did went in with a little bit of powder. Now I do want a little bit more color to my face, so I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer. And I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer with a Real Techniques, I believe this is a blush brush, but I like using it for bronzer, especially when I just want a little light layer of it. I feel like this is what exactly she does. And I am going to use my Gucci blush in a shade Silky Rose. I love this blush, it's beautiful. And I am going to apply the Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Exhilarate. I can't be certain this is how she applies it, but I feel like this is somewhat the technique that she does for it. And it is very glowy too. And just simple, lightweight. Man, this highlighter is so gorgeous. You don't even have to use a brush for it. Now to melt everything into my skin, I am going to use the MAC Fix Plus. If you really want everything to melt into your skin, this is the way to go. I am going to use the Fluff Up Brow Wax from Benefit. I totally got a bunch of mascara on my lower lash line, but that is okay. And then since this is like that model off-duty look, I am going to use my Merit Beauty lip oil. And this is in the shade Pink Beat. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. I added some hoops. I feel like that's totally like that off-model trend that's going around. So this is my skin close up. I mean, it looks very beautiful. I feel like I'll get the same look if I did this the other way around, but who knows? I mean, don't get me wrong, it's very, very gorgeous. She probably has a little bit more technique to it, but I wanted to try it out for you guys. And I do like it. Would I do this all the time? I don't think so. I'm just a creature of habit, and I feel like I'll just stick to my regular routines. I feel like I could get the same type of look. But also, Hailey Bieber and Kendall Jenner do have that beautiful, beautiful, perfect skin look. It also could be a lot of editing too. Don't hate me on that, but you know, not everyone's skin's perfect. I definitely like this routine, but it's definitely not ideal. And did you guys try this out already? Do you like it? Do you not? Personally, it's not something I'd be doing all the time, but it is a very nice, natural looking makeup. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a like, comment down below what you thought about it, and let me know if you guys will be trying this technique as well. I'll see you guys in my next video.